going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Cav the Gamer, Not Traffic Gaming channel. Today we're doing a little different video. We're doing a car video again. This time we're working on a Lexus IS250 V6 obviously. We're going to be putting in and installing K&N Performance Air Intake System, also known as an induction kit. So let's just quickly show you what's in here. So here we have the Typhoon intake system, which is going to directly bolt on into the engine there. We've got all the parts we needed in the kit in this box. I'll show you quickly. That's the massive air filter, much bigger and better than the standard one that it comes with. And this system is supposed to guarantee at least 10 brake horsepower more. We're not going to be running it on a dyno because apparently it's already run on the dyno. It's all here, certified by K&N. Yeah, it comes packed with instructions, quite easy to follow, pictures. So we're going to go in and follow the instructions. Just have a look here. So this is where the original intake system is. As you can see, it's very made of rubber and plastic. This is going to be replaced by the stainless steel one, but to get to that we need to take off a lot of panels first of all and get to it, and hopefully afterwards, once it's all done, it should sound better, perform better, the car. So we're going to do some sound tests afterwards so you guys can hear exactly what it sounds like, the system. A couple of things that you're going to need whilst you're doing this, you just have a look here. So you just need a little tool case here, different sockets. All you need is just some screws, some bolts. That's all you really need, to be honest. Nothing specialist tools or anything. I would say if you've got limited experience doing any sort of mechanic work or anything, you could easily install it yourself. The instructions are very clear to follow, easy to do, so have a go at it yourself. If you are trying to do it, it will save you some money from getting someone else to do it. You can't really go wrong, just follow the instructions. And also you need to have your, oh, it's gone, it's the Bounty, you can't see it, my tea's gone cold, you need a cup of tea to do it. So let's get straight into the video and let's install the K&N. So we finally finished installing the K&N Induction Kit.
2 hours later.
You can see that's the factory air box which sucks the air in, which goes straight down to here, comes out there into the new K&N field and goes straight into the throttle body. As you can see, it's all in here. We haven't turned the car on yet. We are going to turn the car on. Battery's all connected. So let's turn it on and let's see what it sounds like.